how to rotate a picture on your iPhone. So this is very simple, and it comes in handy if you need a picture that needs to be rotated. So why don't we go into your photos, and I'm just going to pick a picture here somewhere. Let's just do this one here. So what you can do is click the photo, and you want to go to the edit option at the very bottom in that center option of buttons here, and you want to click on the right hand side. And what you want to do is actually just crop this, but we're not actually going to crop the photo. But once you hit crop, look at the top left hand corner. So you have two options here. You can flip the photo by hitting the two triangles that are right next to each other, but you can also rotate with the option right next to it. So you can rotate it 90 degrees, and it's that simple. So for whatever reason you have to rotate a photo, you can go ahead and rotate it, go ahead and hit done, and then that has changed. If you do want to go back and change it, go back to the edit button, and then go back to crop, and then you can just rotate it right back. And that's it.